skid plate next. Light scores. This can rip pretty easy too if you score deep. Long wheelbase have bigger, wider skid plates. Same process, so long wheelbase are another one's hard to find around here. I think actually they're more rare than the pickups. There is a few around. And it doesn't matter which way you put this. I mean this way or this way. You want this, you know, ideally this is the coil model, so it's pretty easy to line it up. Leaf spring is a little harder to see, but anyway. Looks better if you set it right in the middle, I suppose. Got the website at the bottom of this, and my eBay name, and my name I guess, and the model. And right there you can feel a big difference. And the axles, they make a huge difference too, especially when we have big tires on there. The tires are actually, according to what I figured out, the tires are about 33s, 32, 33. These ones, I looked at a Maxxis tire, a lot of you probably figured that out already. Maxxis, Bogger, BFG, and Swamper T-Rexes, is that what they're called? I always like to look at those, so I use those too. Takes a long time to build just the tires and the rims. I imagine a lot of you guys are skipping ahead for stuff like this. I mean, I'm sure you know how to cut out axles or whatever. I'm not sure how I'm going to edit this or if I'm going to edit it at all. So sorry if it's long and boring. I should have scored it first, really. Light scores on these, like the bumpers and the other stuff. It tears pretty easy if you don't. Okay. So I'm going to put these on a passenger side drop, just like the original Samurais. No Dana 44s here. So in daylight I can actually look through and see the hub on the other side, right through the paper. I can't right now, so I'm just going to look straight down the tire, get it started in the right spot, hopefully. And I'm going to use the bumper as a guide to make this straight and back far enough where the hub is. That looks pretty good. And there's our axle. Makes it look a little better, and it keeps your tires from opening up underweight. Feeling the big difference now in the sturdiness of the model here. I mean, they're still fragile, you know, if you're trying to carry them around or whatever. They're pretty tough though for what they are. I'd never tried thicker cardstock, but I'm sure that would stiffen it up too. Same plan. I'm pointing mine, the black out, just so it looks good when you look from back or front. There, let's see. And again, I use the bumper. That looks pretty straight right there. There we go. And there's the axles.